Hey, what's going on, Tanctics? And I hope you guys are doing well. Thank you so much for the likes that I got the last video. I got more than I thought I would, even though one of them's mine. It's okay. But I'm going to be opening up another booster box type thing. I'm not going to open up this entire thing today, just a part of it. But before I get into the video, there's something that I want to do. It's going to be up to you guys to tell me what deck I should play. I'm going to put a list in the description. You can just tell me in the comments which one you'd like me to play. If I don't hear from anybody, I'm just going to RNG it, and I'm gonna learn a deck, and you guys are going to watch me fail through it over and over again until I understand it, which takes me a while because, again, I'm not very good at this game. Anyways, so let's go ahead and get to the opening. So we're opening up the Ghosts from the Past, the second Haunting. I didn't ever open up the first one, but maybe one day I can try to get that one. And one thing that I thought was kind of interesting is that there is like a very slim chance, I don't know exactly where it is on here, but a very slim chance to get one of the special cards in here. So it looks like there's a... some boxes will even include one of 9 new Ghost Rare cards. So there's 4 boxes here. So, I mean, there's a very low chance of even getting one of those. So that I'm not very happy about, but I guess it's kind of fun. Maybe we'll have to open up another one of these in the future if I don't get something. And again, once I'm done, I will be putting these up on eBay to sell. Most of them. Some of them I'd like to keep. Some of them I want to add to a deck, especially one of them that I'm going to learn. If I pick anything from here that I need. And yeah, so let's go ahead and open this thing up. Alright, so it's perfectly sealed here. I've had it for a while. Just wanted to wait for this one. Alright, there's the box. Open this thing up. Alright, so we'll take the first one. We're just going to open up one today. The second Haunting. I don't know how many packs are in here. Was there 5 or 4 packs in here? 5. Each box contains 4 5-card packs. So there's 4 packs in here. Alright, let's get this open. I'm excited. I'm still not very good at opening boxes. I'll get better, I promise. Man. They don't want you to open these things, I guess. Jeez. There we go. Pretty pack. Now how do you open it here? Go here. Go over here. Alright, nothing else in there. Here are the 4 packs. So it looks like they're all different monsters here. I'm excited about the Blue Eyes one. I hope I get an original artwork Blue Eyes. I love the original artwork of Blue Eyes. Alright, let's open up this thing right here. Alright. Oh yeah, look at that card. I remember the Ghost Rare cards. It's pretty cool. Nice and ultra rare. Then we got this card here. I've never seen that one before. What is this? Fossil Warrior Skull Knight. Pretty cool. And we got one of those Link cards again. This is Track Black. It's cool as heck. Also, you can probably notice that I zoomed it out a little bit more, so it looks way better. Shadow Vampire. That thing looks awesome. I'm loving these new cards. Like I like all the foils and stuff like that. I know they're kind of like give them out like hotcakes nowadays, but it's still cool. All right, next the Dark Magician Girl one. All right, let's see what we got here. All right, here we go. We got this card right here. The Sanctuary in the Sky. That's cool. This is a pretty cool card. Look at that. Deskbot 001. And we got what a Princess Cologne? Thanks. That's pretty hip. Get that right there. Next. Alright, let's see what we got. That's a pretty cool look. I love their artworks are so cool. There you go. I've already had this card once. Chronicle Magician. That's pretty freaking cool. Despain Tragedy. And we got a Vision Hero Viron. Vion, something. Alright, and then the last pack here, let's see what we get. An agent card. What is this? Executor of the Underworld. Pluto. Protector of the Agents. Moon. That's pretty cool. Fossil Machine, Skull Wagon, and then the last card we get is a Shadow Vampire. We've got that card already. Alright, so let's see here. Got that. I don't think there's any cards in this that I need, so most likely all these will probably be going up for sale. Maybe, I don't know. Let's just do it that way. Alright, so that's my video again. I wanna get you guys' feedback. So tell me what deck you want me to fail at, and tell me what other things you want me to do. Other than that, thank you so much for tuning in, and you have a wonderful day. I'll see you.